In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit shapes in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now the first thing we are going to do is to add a shape here. To add a shape, go ahead and click on the slide that you want to add a shape. And once you are on it, head over to this option called Insert and then choose Shape. And under Shape, choose Shapes here. And now here, choose any of the shapes that you want. For my case, I'll choose this rectangle. And now go ahead and draw the rectangle on your slide. Now there are quite a number of options we can do. First, we can remove the fill color. So if you want your shape to be transparent such that it doesn't have fill color, you can just head over to this fill color here and then click on transparent, and you can see our shape doesn't have the fill color. Now, should you want to increase the thickness of the borderline, it is also simple. Just click on it like this and then head over to this option called border weight, and you can make it 4 times or even 3 times bigger. If you click on 4 times, you can see the thickness will increase. You can also go ahead and increase it even further by making it even 8 times bigger as you wish. If you want to make this shape larger, you can just drag the edges, and you can also move it side by side to widen it or to make it smaller. Should you want to change this border color, it is simple. Just click on the borderline here and then head over to this border color and click on it. Now from here, you can choose any color that you wish and it will be applied to your shape. If you want to rotate your shape, you can simply use this option here and you can just rotate it round. And once you are comfortable, just leave it to the angle that you wish. You can even leave it to that if you wish so. For more options, you can also use these format options. And here we have quite a number of them, such as size and rotation, position, text fitting, shadow, reflection, and the list is just endless. Under each, there are quite a number of things you can do. For instance, we can go ahead and add a reflection. If I go ahead and click on this reflection option here, if I click on it, you can see there is a reflection. You can also go ahead and add or increase and reduce the opacity of your shape as you wish. So that's how you can edit your shapes in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.